Good morning, students. This is class 7 civics lesson. Today we are here with the new chapter. Chapter name is Growing Up as Boys and Girls. From the very beginning of the life, we heard about the differences between the boys and girls. How we have to talk, how we have to sit, how we have to behave, right? There are some restrictions in our behavior that how we do with others. It is for both boys also as well as girls also. The same things we are going to learn in this chapter. Being a boy or a girl is an important part of one's identity. Yes, it is showing our identity. I am a girl, so I have to proud myself. It is my identity, right? The society we grow up in teaches us what kind of behavior is acceptable for the girls and boys. Means, in a family, the boy can shout, but a girl cannot shout. She can always polite, right? The society we grow up in teaches us what kind of behavior is acceptable for the girls and boys. What boys and girls can or cannot do means the works are also different. Often grow up thinking that these things are exactly the same everywhere. Means wherever we visit, we can go, we can see almost same behavior of the people, right? But do all societies look at boys and girls in the same way? We will try the answer of this question in this chapter. We will also look at how the different roles assigned to the boys and girls prepare them for their future roles as men and women. Means finally, after growing, every boy become a man and every girl become a woman. So what is the role of the woman and men in the society that we are going to learn in this chapter? We will learn the most societies value men and women differently. Means both are equally valuable, but the value is different. In which place boy have the value and some places girls have the value. The roles women plays and the work they do are usually valued less than the roles men play and the work they do. This chapter will also examine how inequalities between men and women emerge in the area of work. Means what is the differences we can often found in the society, right? So now in the different areas we can see differences, right? So in this chapter we are going one by one each and every spectacle of the life on the perspective of the other areas also. Means we always thought in which family we are living, in which area we are living, we just thought about only that much, right? So now we grow and see around the world. Around the world, when we see, you can find the differences between that, right? So now Here you can see growing up in Samona in 1920s. 1920s means 100 years ago, right? 100 years ago, the Samon Island are the part of a large group of small islands in the southern part of the Pacific Ocean. Means this is a small island in the Pacific Ocean. You just remember that. In 1920s, according to research report, a Saman society, children did not go to school. Means before 100 years, we can see schools are open, students are going to school, children are going to school. But in that time, in this society, students didn't go to school. They learned many things such as how to take care of children or do household work. Means who is the elder one of the family, whoever the child, it may be boy or it can be girl, they can take care of their younger brother or sister, right? Or they can learn how to do household work. Whatever parents are doing at home, they are learning with them only. Fishing was a very important activity on the island. All of you know that the island is full of water and fishing is very important activity. Means their livelihood is depend on fishing. Young people therefore learn to undertake long fishing expedition, but they learned these things at different points in their childhood. Means boys and girls both learn. But where is the difference? Now we can see. As soon as babies could walk, means how early the child can walk, their mothers or other adults no longer looked after them. Means the parents are not take care of the long time. Older children often as young as 5 years old. You can imagine. Now in our families you can see 5 years old child don't know how to do their own work. How can he or she will take care of their younger brother or sisters? Took over the responsibilities. Means parents leave their responsibility to the 5 years old child. Both boys and girls looked after their younger siblings. Siblings means brother or sisters, right? But by the time a boy was about 9 years old, means the male of the family, means the son of the family, when he was only 9 years, he joined the older boys in learning outdoor jobs like fishing and the planting coconuts. He is going to learn with the elders how to plant the coconut trees or how to do the fishing. Girls had to continue looking after small children or to earn for adults till they were teenagers. Means after 14 they also go with their parents, right? But once they become teenager, they had much more freedom. After the age of 14 or so, girls also went on fishing trips. Means after 14, the girls are also join the groups of fishing trips, right? Work in the plantation, learn how to weave baskets. Cooking was done in special cooking houses where means under 14 they learn each and every work of the house, and after 14 they are going to the earn the money, right? Or learn how to do the work out of house also. To do most of the work while girls helped with the preparation, right? So in that way we can say there is also a difference between the boys and the girls. Boys are growing fast and girls are going slow. Means after 14, girls are more free to do their work. Hope people understand this much topic. Thank you and have a nice day.